Do you want to know a secret? There's a simple way to earn thousands of dollars every month, just by making kids' videos. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true, and I'm about to show you how. Have you ever thought about earning money by creating kids' videos? Yes, you can earn thousands of dollars. These days, kids' channels are making big money every month. Just a few years ago, even earning $100 on faceless channels was really tough. But now, things are different. Thanks to AI tools, people can create videos easily and earn thousands of dollars. All you need is a good idea and the right AI tools. AI can help with everything: writing scripts, adding background music, and finding images for your videos. In fact, this video you're watching right now was made with AI in just 5 minutes. So watch the video till the end because I'll be giving you a full tutorial on how you can create animated kids videos for your channel for free without any further ado. Let's move on to the video first. We need an idea for our video. For ideas, we will use ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and type in the search bar. Give me ideas for an animated song video for kids. Once you like an idea, ChatGPT, create a script and lyrics for it. Once that's done, ask ChatGPT to write a video prompt for each scene, including full settings in each prompt. After this, we need a tool that can convert text into video. There are many tools available in the market, but most are either paid or provide low-quality videos. Don't worry, because I found a tool that provides high-quality videos for free. Open a new browser and search for Hilo. Once the website opens, you'll see an interface like this. Click on Create, then click on Text to Video, then go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt and paste it into Halo AI. Then click Generate. Here you will see a login page appears. Click on Continue to Google, then select your account and continue it here. Once logged successfully, again, click on Generate. Repeat this process with each prompt until all are complete. Wait for a few moments, and within 5 minutes, your videos will be generated. Finally, our videos are ready. Let's see the results. As you can see, the tool has generated perfect videos that we created easily. Download all your videos step by step. Next, we'll move on to creating a song for our video. Don't worry, you don't need any skills for this, as we'll use an AI tool named Click on Create. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the lyrics and paste them into Suno and click. Create. Your music will be created, which you can use in your video. Check out your music, select your favorite, and download it. Now we have both music and videos. Next, we need to merge them. You can use any video editing software. Open the software, import all your video clips and music. Add the music to the timeline first, then add all clips one by one. If any clips are longer than your song, trim them. As you can see, our video also has a watermark. To remove it, simply increase the video scale until the watermark disappears. Finally, export your video in HD resolution. Set the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 60 FPS. Now let's see the final look of the video to see.
Red is the color of cherry so sweet, of roses that bloom and hearts that beat. With a swish.
As you can see, the results are perfect. We created this video within 5 minutes, and the entire process was free. Apply these steps to your channel and consistently upload such kids' videos. Remember, you won't see results in 1 or 2 weeks. You need to apply this method on your channel for at least 1 to 2 months to see results. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel, Digital AI Dollars, or if you are a content creator, so you need to know these tools. So click left and watch the video completely, or if you want to earn money in 2025, so click right and I will see you there. Bye.